Jetzt mal einen Song von einer englischen Comedy-Truppe. Die Truppe hieß Monty Python und die haben im Laufe ihrer langen, sehr langen Karriere auch einige tolle Spielfilme gedreht. Alle sehr lustig, nur zu empfehlen. Einer davon hieß Das Leben des Brian. Und am Ende dieses Films, da gab es einen Song, der hieß Always Look on the Bright Side of Life. Und den möchte ich euch jetzt mal spielen. Geht los. Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Oh, other things just make you swear and curse. When you chew on life as gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle, and this will help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Hey, always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, oh, don't be silly chumps, just purse your lips and whistle at the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Come on, always look on the bright side of life. For life is quite absurd, and that's the final word. You must always face the curtain with a bow. Oh, forget about your sin, give the audience a grin. Oh, enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. So always look on the bright side of death. I'll just before you draw your terminal breath. Oh, life's a piece of shit. Oh, when you look at it. Oh, life's a laugh and death a joke, it's true. You see, it's all a show. Keep on laughing as you go. Just remember that the last laugh is on you. And always look on the bright side of life. Hey, always look on the right side of life. Hey, come on. I'll always look on the bright side of life. Hey, always look on the bright side of life. I'll always look on the bright side of life.